In the last video about Squarespace, we are going to finalize the domain, that how to connect your personal domain on the website and then make your site live. So for this you need to go to settings and then go to domain and emails and click on domains. If you have already a domain, that use the domain I own. Suppose I have a domain that I can enter and then enter the domain, and then it will show me that the domain is do you want to transfer or connect the domain. I'm just going to click the connect the domain and then get you can can two way. You can use DNS records or you can click directly. This is from Namecheap, so I'm going to click on get started, and then they are showing how to do. Click on Namecheap sign in and then next, and they are asking to change the name server. Just copy and then go to the Namecheap domain option and change their name server. Okay, so this is the process that I am not going to show you, and for this I'm not going to connect the domain in here, but if you want to connect your domain, you can contact me and I will try to do my best. So that was the point. So thank you, and then your website will be live. So for this we can use the domain for 40 days to see our website, and then use password protected, so we can see what we did. The password was 123. If you forget the password, how to recover? Just click go to the setting. Yes, go to the setting and then make this side is and the website, and then site availability. Yes, see the password in here, so you can change the password and then just make change and then save. Okay, so I'm not going to change because I already have in my mind the password is 123, and the website is showing in here that we did update. So it looks fine and perfect that I was expected, and I hope you understood that how to create a Squarespace website for your business by yourself and easily. So this is if you help, then you can share it with your friends and family to learn them how to create their own website by their self. Okay, so best of luck for you. Thank you for now.